Filtering a subgraph in GraphTool. This is a ridiculously basic question about GraphTool which should be trivial to figure out how to solve using the documentation, but I'm spinning in circles. I don't doubt that documentation comprehensive, but it certainly isn't making this easy. Goal: given a graph G, extract the induced subgraph based on a list of vertices of G. I know I should be doing this with a graph view somehow. I get that. I also understand that I need to make a vertex property map for this. But what exactly should I be creating? The documentation is very lacking here. For example, the page on property maps says that each property map can be of a certain type, but I haven't figured out what that means. What do the types represent? When would I want to use one type over another? Given apparently how important property maps are to the efficient usage of GraphTool, I'm a little bewildered at how unclear the docs are. For this problem, I get the vague sense that I need to use the Boolean type, because maybe I want to set the vertices I want in the subgraph to true, while the vertices I don't want in the subgraph to false. But does that mean the property map I create needs to have the same length as the number of nodes in my original graph G? Or can I just provide a list of nodes and somehow let it be understood that those are the only ones to be set to true?
You are right. You have to use GraphView. In the following example, a induced subgraph with vertices 0, 1, 3 are created from a complete graph with 5 vertices. Output.
If you want to support the channel, please consider liking and subscribing.